If you sell physical products on Amazon.com, I have a product idea for you with the right execution and the right person driving the project. I think this could net you probably about $10 million all in over the lifetime of the project, maybe more. Depends on the degree of execution, I suppose. But this is something I don't have time to pursue personally. You only have the one lifetime, so I'll give it to you here. And it's based on something I've noticed. It's something a little strange in a specific product category. I want to talk about water bottles for a second. This is an Owala, and it is the new kid on the block, the newest, coolest water bottle design. It's got a straw in it, but you can also drink from it normally, in a sort of horizontal fashion. It's taking the world by storm. But Owala is not the first water bottle to do so. If you look back into the history of consumer-facing water bottles in North America and Europe, I suppose, you'll see the Nalgene, you'll see the Swell bottle. In the last 5 years, you'll see the Stanley. You'll see Yeti emerge as a consumer-facing brand with a lot of water receptacles. But I don't think anyone's done the iPhone of water bottles, or maybe the Rolls-Royce of water bottles. The interesting thing about water bottles, though, and I think why they sort of follow fashion trends in 2 to 5 year cycles, is because it's an example of what they call conspicuous consumption. In other words, people see and observe you drinking the water in the office, at the gym, on the street, wherever. And this conspicuous consumption, I think the more products have this sort of conspicuous, visible aspect to them, that you can see people using them, the more they turn into fashion trends. But water bottles, people don't think about as a fashion statement, but it really is. And so I think the high-end fashion houses, the Gucci's and the Pradas and things like that, have not seen this opportunity. I looked it up. They do have SKUs that are water bottles, but the execution's not great. So my idea for you would be to build a really highly functional water bottle that has some real physical improvements on what's out there so far, as Owala did. Like they have a sipping straw where you can keep it upright, or you can drink from it normally. They also have this, it's a locked-in flip cap. It's kind of interesting, right? An eye-catching design. But what Owala got, not wrong, but in terms of their marketing positioning, this is $20, $30. I want you to price the water bottle at well over $100, $100, $150, something slightly out of reach, so that it becomes an aspirational water bottle brand. Really high end, invest in some high end materials, some high end industrial design, and this is where the magic happens. The conspicuous consumption aspect of the water bottle kicks in, so that you can have really influential people touting the bottle, and my goodness, you're not getting $20, $30 a pop. You're getting, $150, $200. The margins on it would be insane. And if you can start a trend, you're well on your way to that 10 million. This idea, this framework, looking for really high-end, conspicuous consumption consumer products can be applied to many other industries, I'm sure. I just noticed this opening lane in water bottles. And so I think there's an opportunity there. Our free book on exactly how to scale up physical product sales on Amazon. That's all my team and I have been doing for the last 8 years. We spend over $15 million a year just on Amazon ads. We know our stuff, and I'm here to share with you on the channel and through this book. So that book is for free. It's in the comments section right now. I'll see you on the other side.